And my grandmother, Boba, she had been an orphan about 4 years of age in Russia, and she and her mother, she and her sister were raised by an aunt, and their name was Pritzker, but I don't think we're related to a well-known Pritzker family. But they sold pastries to an army camp, so my grandmother was a wonderful pastry baker. All the Jewish things that she could make, balinzas and kreplach and paprika's. The best thing she made was a strudel, and I've only seen it once here, where that thin dough was pulled across the table, and then with some melted butter and cherry jelly and coconut and cinnamon and nuts, rolled in a tight roll and baked in a long cylinder, and then cut in slices. And once I saw it in a Russian tea room in New Haven, and that tea room closed. But when we have this family reunion on Memorial Day, I'm going to see if somewhere I could find, maybe by mail or something from New York, to find some of that strudel. Other people say they remember rice pudding and baked macaroni, but that's mine.